We're at Gulf Crest. Did you miss us? It's been a minute. We've had some rough, cloudy, not rough weather. We've had some cloudy skies, but today is beautiful, and we're going to show you this awesome unit at Gulf Crest, unit number 1005. And Alice, do you want to tell us who it's listed with and a little bit about the unit as we walk around?
Sure thing. Listing provided by Ivanette with Jim Free Realty. Thanks, Ivanette, for allowing us to do a video of this beautiful unit here on the 10th floor of Gulf Crest. Finally, a pretty day in Panama City Beach, because we've been having a lot of rain lately, every day.
Here we got the pools, hot tubs.
Tiki bar, let's go get a margarita.
No. We're working. Due to contrary to popular belief, that's how the phrase goes. We don't have margaritas at work every day. Sometimes, but not every day. Not every day. What'd you post on Facebook the other day? If only tacos and margaritas made us skinny. All right. So this is a turn day. The unit's been fully booked except for Saturday.
Well, it is booked Saturday, but it turned on Saturday.
Right,
so,
today.
Yeah. So bear with us because they're just ripping up the linens and cleaning up the unit.
And Alice, you want to check on the front door? Sounds like somebody's trying to get in, but we'll let them know that we're trying to do a tour here. Okay, so we're not the only ones that want to see this, so we'll hurry up with our virtual tour here for you guys. Bedroom number 1.
King size bed.
View of the balcony and the Gulf here. From the slider, access to the balcony we were just on.
Yes. Can I give a minute?
For me to come in?
Yeah, can you give me just a minute?
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry about that. Popular, demanding. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1310 square feet.
So we got our stackable laundry, water heater closet, and electrical panel here. Owner's closet in here as well.
Mm-hmm. So this is like everything original unit. You still have the gold hardware, carpet here in the master. You have wood bamboo floors in the living area and tile throughout the kitchen, dining area.
I walked right past this bunk area.
Right.
I have seen that before. It's kind of interesting. If you just want to close the doors, the bed goes away.
And there's another king size bed over here on the 2nd bedroom. Review to the Thomas Drive.
Yeah, there's the front balcony. And then we'll take a look at the kitchen right before we exit the unit. Here we go.
There you go. If you guys would like more information on this unit or any other unit in Panama City Beach or Gulf Crest, give us a call.
We're going to go ahead and leave Alice's contact information down below. And yeah, if you have a property you want to sell here, we'd love to help you with that too.
See you soon.
Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button. Thanks, you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks so much. Bye for now.